Let's face it, it's a great feeling when you receive exceptional service. It's even better when someone takes the time to acknowledge how much they appreciate the effort. Here's a look at one of our favorite 5-star reviews. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to provide everyone with a first-class experience. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.